Hello everybody. As you could tell by the title of this video, this is my bad experience shopping from the Big Book Box, which is basically like a book subscription box. And book subscription boxes are a service where a curated selection of books and sometimes related items like bookmarks, art prints, or merchandise are delivered to subscribers on a regular basis, usually monthly or quarterly. I opted for a special edition box. I did not opt for a subscription, and the Big Book Box is an Indian brand that offers this book subscription box service. I opted for special edition box called the Percy Jackson box, and I bought it March of 2024. This is May 2025, and I've still not received it. It was honestly a bad experience shopping from the Big Book Box. I knew before placing my order that they take time to ship, and I was prepared to wait a couple months. I hadn't received my order till October of last year, having placed it on March 18th, 2024. I still trusted them and knew they do fulfill orders, albeit a bit late, but you get your stuff eventually. And I was very excited to shop from them as they had launched the PJO box that was advertised to contain all the five books from the first Percy Jackson and the Lumpian series, along with some merch. The books were American editions with sprayed edges, and the merch was also stuff I couldn't really find anywhere else in India. So, shipping stuff from the US takes a lot of money, and shipping is extremely expensive. So, I wasn't too keen on buying them directly from abroad. Hence, why this seemed like the perfect opportunity to get my hands on some Percy Jackson goodies as a huge fan. But the experience I've had is very disheartening, and I am very disappointed. I have bought from Owl Crate, which is an American bookworks company, in 2018, and I received my order within the end of the month. I placed it at the end of like May, I think, and I got it at the end of June, I believe. And back then, shipping cost just $20. So in total, I spent less than 4,000 rupees for the entire thing. And now shipping has gotten much more expensive, obviously. Owl Crate basically had the inventory ready before taking orders, I believe. And these guys, the Big Book Box, order materials after taking orders from their customers. There is no issue with that. I often pre order Stray Kids merch from JYP Japan online store, and they always give you a fixed date from when shipping will commence. It's never been more than 3 months in my personal experience. Production happens within 3 months, and I get an email notifying me about the shipping very soon after the date that they had provided in advance. What I have been most disappointed about is the fact that there is no system for them to periodically inform people about the status of their order. Like I said, I have experience ordering stuff internationally, and I have been informed via email of every step in the process. I get an email of shipping having commenced and the tracking ID, and shipping is also never delayed by months, mind you. I get every single update via email. There is basically a proper method of notifying customers about the status of their order. When I emailed the Big Book Box a couple months ago, they told me, oh, shipping is like extremely delayed from the US seller because their books are from the US seller. And like shipping never takes that long, shipping never gets delayed by that much. And I've talked to friends, and this is like a classic thing they say to people that, oh, shipping has gotten extremely delayed. Girl, come on. If the Big Book Box as a company is facing these issues every single time with their boxes, they should either improve their system and hire more people to manage the business, take on the technical challenges, or stop taking orders until they fulfill the old ones. I literally went to their Instagram because they haven't been replying to my emails. So I went to their Instagram to like tell them to comment that please reply to my emails. And I saw so many comments of other people. Like the comment section was, their most recent post was just full of people saying, oh, it's been 2 years since I placed my order. I placed my order in again 2024. I haven't received it. And it's just like, girl, come on. Like, this is not how you run a business. You either fulfill your old orders by hiring more people, by finding some way to solve the logistical issues you're facing, or you stop taking more orders until you're able to fulfill the old ones. That's just common sense, I'm afraid. So I've waited for months knowing that they take time, and even their regular periodic boxes take months to deliver. So I anticipated the wait time for the special edition box being more than 3 4 months that they take usually for their regular subscription boxes. but they have failed to respond to my emails, failed to notify me regularly. They responded to a few of my emails. The last time I received a reply from them was on the 7th of April, when I was informed that dispatches had started from their side and I should receive a tracking ID soon enough. I did not. I received an email from them on 24th of April confirming my address and the size for like one of the apparel items in the box. They asked me to fill out the Google form before 26th of April so that the boxes could be shipped out after that. I have since sent them a bunch of emails starting from the 10th of May. For which I have received no response. There is complete radio silence, and this is the email I sent them the most recently. I will read that out for you. Hello, it's been a year and 2 months since I placed the order for the Percy Jackson box. I have been extremely patient and have periodically asked you for updates, extremely politely. They were supposedly being shipped out starting at the end of last month, because it's the end of May right now. That was a whole month ago. I have been emailing you asking for an update since the past 2 weeks. Neither have I received the tracking ID I was promised, nor have I been updated via email. I understand there are logistical challenges you guys face that are out of your control, but the least you can do is periodically update people about the status of their order. I frequently shop online internationally and get stuff shipped to me from America as well as other Asian countries. It never takes this long. And I am regularly updated about the status of my order via email. Please provide me with a concrete update of the status of my order, and please work on creating a system where your customers get regular updates or can track their orders. If there are delays in shipment, customers should be notified by you automatically instead of us having to pester you via email and then waiting forever for a response. Hoping for a speedy response. Thanks, regards. And this was the email I sent them most recently. Again, obviously, there has been no response. I want them to either deliver my box or issue me a full refund. I was really looking forward to getting my hands on the books and the goodies and unboxing on my channel. I grew up watching BookTube and booktubers unboxing their book boxes. I never filmed myself unboxing Owl Crate, and I feel extremely stupid about that. But, anyways, I can't go back in time. So, I was really looking forward to this. I waited 14 months extremely patiently and have now reached the end of my patience. This is just disappointing. Please do better, the Big Book Box. I either want my box or a full refund.